In a groundbreaking achievement, scientists have successfully developed a robot that is operated by a small human brain grown in a lab using organoids. This significant advancement has the potential to completely transform our understanding and utilization of artificial intelligence. By integrating a brain-like structure with a computer chip in a robot, new avenues are opened for simulating human behavior and cognitive functions. The implications of this development are immense and could lead to the creation of robots that closely resemble humans. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, it is conceivable that we may soon witness the emergence of robots that are virtually indistinguishable from real humans, profoundly altering the landscape of our society. The Living Machine project, led by Chinese researchers, utilizes pluripotent stem cells derived from early embryonic development to produce organoids containing various types of brain cells. These organoids exhibit neuron-like characteristics after being cultured for approximately a month. The process of transmitting signals to these organoids remains a crucial aspect that has yet to be fully elucidated. Similar to Elon Musk's Neuralink chip, which interfaces with the human brain through a specialized chip, this project seeks to investigate the potential of integrating biological tissues with cutting-edge technology. Organoids transplanted into the brain have established a functional connection that responds to low-intensity ultrasound stimulation. This stimulation prompts human tissue to regenerate neurons, which then communicate with the robot to perform movements. The robot relies solely on electrical and sensor signals from these newly formed neurons since it lacks visual capabilities. The pink shoulder decorations on the robot are a visual representation of what the brain looks like, as the real tissues are still part of the prototype. This advancement marks the creation of an incredibly powerful humanoid robot capable of completing various tasks. The research team notes that brain organoid transplant holds promise for restoring brain function and recreating neural circuits by replacing lost neurons. While still in early stages, the potential of organoids in this context remains uncertain.